The idea of our universe consuming other universes is a concept rooted in the multiverse theory, a hypothesis suggesting that our universe is just one of many universes. Each of these universes could operate under its own unique set of physical laws and constants, existing within a larger multiverse. While the notion of universes eating other universes may sound dramatic and is not scientifically proven, there are theoretical frameworks in modern physics that could allow for interactions between universes, though in a much more subtle and complex way than literal consumption. To understand whether our universe could interact with or consume other universes, it's necessary to explore the nature of the multiverse theory and the structure of our universe. The multiverse theory suggests that space is not limited to our observable universe, which is the region we can see and study due to the speed of light and the age of our universe. Beyond this observable horizon could lie other universes, either similar to or vastly different from ours. These universes might be isolated from each other, or they might have the capacity to interact in ways we do not fully understand yet. One of the most popular models of the multiverse is the bubble universe theory, which comes from the idea of cosmic inflation. According to this model, after the Big Bang, the universe went through an incredibly rapid expansion. In this process, different regions of space could have expanded in different ways, creating separate bubbles, each of which might constitute its own universe. Our universe could be one of these bubbles, floating in a vast cosmic foam of other bubble universes. These bubbles could be spatially distant, but under the right circumstances, it's conceivable that they might interact, collide, or merge. Theoretically, if two bubble universes were to collide, the interaction could drastically alter the structure of both, leading to the exchange of energy, or in some extreme scenarios, one universe could overwhelm or destroy the other. Though this may seem speculative, some cosmologists argue that there could be observable evidence of such collisions. For example, a collision between universes could leave behind imprints in the cosmic microwave background, CMB, radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Scientists have been searching for signs of these imprints, anomalies in the CMB that could suggest our universe has had contact with another, but so far, no definitive evidence has been found. However, the absence of proof doesn't entirely negate the possibility, especially given that our understanding of the universe is far from complete. Another possible interaction between universes is through the concept of quantum mechanics and parallel universes. This stems from the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every time a quantum event has multiple possible outcomes, all of those outcomes occur, but in separate, parallel universes. In this framework, every decision, every event in our universe creates branching pathways, leading to an infinite number of parallel universes. These universes, however, do not interact in a traditional sense, certainly not in a way that one could eat another. Instead, they exist simultaneously but independently, like pages in a book. Yet, some theoretical physicists wonder whether, under extraordinary conditions, these universes could interact. If that were the case, one universe could influence or even absorb another in a process akin to what we might imagine as eating. Black holes, one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in our universe, might also provide a clue. Some physicists have proposed that black holes could act as gateways to other universes. According to these theories, the matter and energy swallowed by a black hole in our universe might not be destroyed but instead could be funneled into a new, separate universe. If true, this could imply a form of universe consumption, where one universe siphons material from another. This idea aligns with the hypothesis that black holes could play a role in the birth of new universes, meaning that rather than consuming other universes, our universe might be part of a grander cycle of creation and destruction, with universes constantly feeding into and giving birth to new ones. From a different perspective, we could also think of universe consumption in terms of entropy and thermodynamics. Our universe, like all physical systems, is governed by the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy or disorder tends to increase over time. Eventually, our universe could reach a state of maximum entropy, known as heat death, where all energy is evenly distributed and no work can be done. In some speculative cosmological models, this process could trigger the birth of new universes, where the remnants of an old universe serve as the seed for a new one. This cycle could be seen as a form of cosmic digestion, where the death of one universe leads to the birth of another. The process is not one of violent consumption but more of a slow transformation, where the material and energy of one universe give rise to another in a never-ending cycle of cosmic renewal. Furthermore, string theory and its associated concept of higher dimensional brains also offer a possible framework for universe interaction. In string theory, our universe is thought to exist on a three-dimensional surface called a brane, which floats within a higher dimensional space. There could be other branes, each of which might host its own universe. These branes could sometimes collide, potentially merging or influencing one another in profound ways. Such collisions might explain the birth of our universe itself. Some cosmologists believe the Big Bang could have been caused by a collision between branes. If these branes could interact, then perhaps, under the right circumstances, one brane could influence, merge with, or even consume another. However, this is purely theoretical, and the mechanisms by which branes might interact are not well understood. There are also models of the multiverse where universes could interact through the exchange of dark energy or dark matter. Dark energy, the mysterious force driving the accelerated expansion of our universe, might not be exclusive to our universe. In some speculative theories, dark energy could act as a bridge between universes, flowing from one universe to another. If that were the case, one universe could potentially draw energy from another, leading to a scenario where one universe diminishes while another grows. While this idea is highly speculative, it provides a possible mechanism for a form of universe eating that doesn't involve direct collisions or mergers. Despite all these theoretical possibilities, there is no concrete evidence that our universe is currently consuming or interacting with other universes. The multiverse hypothesis itself remains unproven, and while it is a fascinating area of theoretical physics, much of it remains in the realm of speculation. Our current understanding of physics, while incredibly advanced, is still incomplete, especially when it comes to the nature of the universe on the largest and smallest scales. The possibility of our universe interacting with others, whether through collisions, black holes, or other means, is intriguing, but for now, it remains a mystery. In the end, the idea of universes consuming one another is an exciting and thought-provoking concept that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Whether through collisions, quantum events, or black holes, the possibility that our universe could interact with others raises profound questions about the nature of reality, the limits of our understanding, and the future of our universe. While we may not yet have the answers, the exploration of these ideas pushes the boundaries of science and fuels our quest to understand the ultimate fate of the universe.